We're here with Seung-Won Oh, the composer of our new piece, Elegy in Me. I'm so excited, we touched upon it yesterday for the very first time.
So the piece is part of a program, a new concert program of us, of the Ragazzi Quartet, which is called Lamento, and it deals with loss and mourning. And what I really like about premiering a piece is that, well, as we've just experienced today, is that it's not a finished process when we get to the music, but there's still some work to be done and some discoveries to be made together.
Right. And I could see the chart on the paper, but that's not necessarily the best or best sounding.
Yeah.
So we need to, if you have a better suggestion of, okay, this is the chord that we need to arrive, and this will be more convenient for your hand and more sounding, then maybe I'll be happy to change the chord. That as I become a more mature composer, I realize the component of the performer and how much they put in to put a life to actual music, which is only on the print.
Yes.
And it's only possible with both living performer and composer.
Creating it now together.
Right. So obviously lament is such a huge, powerful subject, and for me, I need to make it a little more personal, so that weight of this powerful message was less pressure to me. So it became more like a elegy, but personal elegy, so elegy in me. Of course, the backbone of the idea is how we feel as a human being when we lose our most precious and loved ones around. So that would be feeling of a pain or sorrow, but I didn't want it to remain in that bottom of our feelings, and I wanted to find a way to transform this idea about death becoming, in a way, another cycle of becoming born, reborn, and of hope at the end.
And then you talk about this, and it carries this weight, and I think it's stronger because it has this personal expression in it.
It also, now that you're talking about this, it also gives me a sense of healing. When you need a ritual with repetition to heal, maybe, from the inside.
When you're not a string quartet player, you make us do things that a string quartet player would not make us do.
That's true.
So in that way, you help develop the string quartet.
Right.
Like Bartók,
Yeah.
he did crazy things,
Yeah.
and he was a pianist.
We wouldn't think of those.
No, definitely not. Yeah, it's really something that we will, like, if we do it right, we will go through this journey.
It's so nice to have the Muziekgebouw aan het IJ to perform this piece for a large audience for the first time, because it's such a beautiful venue, and the String Quartet Biennale Amsterdam, that they give us this platform and this opportunity. And so important to combine contemporary music and classical music.
What a wonderful opportunity for someone just go there, and then you can probably experience about 150 to 200 years of music history for this string quartet. That's phenomenal. This is so exciting.
Yeah,
I can't wait to hear the whole journey.